If your doctor failed to diagnose a stroke, you might be eligible for a medical malpractice case. My name is John Degasperis. I handle medical malpractice cases all across the state of New York. In this video, I'm going to explain who might be eligible to file a medical malpractice case for a failure to diagnose a stroke. I'm also going to explain the process of exploring a potential medical malpractice case. Experiencing a stroke is undoubtedly a life-altering experience. I know this firsthand because my father suffered multiple strokes. And a doctor's failure to timely or properly diagnose a stroke is inexcusable. So who is eligible for this type of medical malpractice case? Well, if you at some point in the recent past had signs and symptoms commonly associated with stroke and you sought medical treatment, you might be eligible. Now the question will be, did the medical provider send you home without a diagnosis or fail to timely diagnose your stroke, thereby depriving you of an intervention? Because we know if we timely diagnose a stroke, we can intervene most of the time and prevent people from having prolonged or permanent deficits as a result of the stroke event. If you feel that your doctors failed to diagnose your stroke in a timely manner, you might be eligible to file a medical malpractice lawsuit. You should act fast if this is something you're contemplating, because the statute of limitations in New York is only 2 years and 6 months. The statute begins to run from the day the doctor messed up. If you want to sue, you should call a qualified medical malpractice attorney who has experience handling stroke cases. These are complicated cases that require a specialized knowledge of the medicine involved. It's free to call most medical malpractice lawyers in New York. For example, if you called my office, you would get a free consultation where I would talk to you to learn more about what happened to you or your family member when their doctor failed to diagnose the stroke. Remember, time is of the essence, so contact a medical malpractice lawyer. Like myself, I would be glad to help you, give you a free consultation, and help you if I can.